The Frequency of Awakening, Healing Beyond Words by Don Jackson. What if healing wasn't just in a pill, a prayer, or a program? What if healing was in a frequency? Science tells us everything is energy, vibration, frequency. But for centuries, we've been taught to ignore the inner tuning of the soul. On 74 hertz removes pain. 285 hertz heals your energy field. 396 hertz clears guilt and fear, the chains of our past. 417 hertz invites change, not forcefully, but harmoniously. These aren't just numbers. These are invitations, gateways, paths to remembering who we are, before the trauma, before the doctrine, before the silence. At 528 hertz, your DNA, the very blueprint of your existence, begins to resonate with renewal. 639 hertz heals relationships because hurt often comes from others, but so does healing. 741 hertz awakens your intuition. 852 hertz draws your soul tribe closer. And 963 hertz. This is where you no longer chase God. You become the frequency of divine awareness. I created the Prodigal Movement to gather those who feel this truth but never had the language for it. My book, Prodigal, Leaving Church and Finding God, is the story of my journey through guilt, doctrine, shame, and finally, into coherence. Prodigal. The podcast is our sacred circle, where stories become mirrors and trauma meets transformation. And the Prodigal Substack? That's our daily practice. A frequency you can read, feel, live. If your soul is humming right now, it means you're already tuned in. You're not broken, you're just remembering. Join me, read the book, subscribe to the Substack, listen to the podcast. Let's heal in harmony.